Okay guys, are we ready? 10 minutes. This is your body shock workout and it will shock the body. So you don't need any equipment, a bit of room, but we're going to moving in 3 planes. So forward and back, side to side, lots of power, getting your heart rate up, working the whole body as a kinetic chain. Are you ready? Take the legs wide. We'll just do kind of just a few seconds, warm it up. Squat and lift. Again, so just keeping the feet in a neutral position. Again, so if you're an instructor, you could take these blocks and just teach them. Take the leg wide, 4. Again, so pretty functional. 1 more. Bring it together. Here we go, 4. Okay, with your right leg, give me a front lunge. Let's go, front lunge. 1, lateral lunge, posterior, and squat. Here's your left, front lunge, lateral, posterior, squat. Again, front lunge, side. I'm actually a little bit apprehensive this workout. Now left, front lunge, lateral, post, and back. Now curtsy, right leg curtsy, squat center. This is just kind of getting your heart rate up, getting the muscles ready. What an exciting work to follow, okay? Go again. Here's cross behind. Squat center. Good. Lock on tight with the core. Again, we cross. Squat. 1 more. Okay, give me a slow burpee. It's down, back, in, and squat. Get a little bit of a rest in here. 2 more squats. We go again. Burpee. 1. Come up. Squat down. Oh, heart rate's coming up. We are ready. 1 more. Here's that burpee. Let's go. 1. 4. Squat. How are the legs feeling? It's non-stop body shock today. 2 more. Okay, we're ready. Just give me a little bit of a jog. Shake out your arms, shake out your legs. Woo. Are you ready for this? Yes, we can't wait. Okay, everything moving in a frontal, in a forward and back, a sagittal plane to begin with. Are you ready? Start with the squat. Push. Okay, 4 power squats. 1, 2. Now move forward if you have the room. 1 more. Now lunge. 1, 2, 3. This is hardcore. Jump back. 1, 2, 3. 1 more. Lunge. 1. So I'm driving forward. Last one. Now feet together. 4. Okay. 1 more. Now power jump forward. Feet together. 1 more. Lunge back. 1, 2. My legs are burning. Now back. 1. So change the position of the feet. 1 more. Lunge back. 1. We're going to add on here. You're going to roll down to the floor. I'll come on a diagonal. Walk out. And then hold. 5, 6, 7, walk up, roll up, and just circle your arms back. Roll again. Down, walk out, hold. Roll in, 1. Come up, circle back. 2 more. Roll down, walk out, hold. Walk back in, come up, circle. 1 more, roll down, walk out, hold. Walk back in, roll up, and hold. Now put it all together. 4 squats. 1. So how's your heart rate? We're good. Power forward, wide. It's 1. 2, 3, 1 more. Lunge forward. 1, 2. Now on the way back, feet together. Jump, jump. One more. Lunge backwards. 1, 2, 3. Woo, one more. Roll it down. Roll. Walk out. Hold. Roll in. Come up. Roll the arms. Yeah. And again, let's go. Roll down. Walk out. Hold. 5, 6, 7. Walk in. Roll up. Okay, moving on. Remember that. Now 4 squats. Travel to your right. Lateral. Now jump. Wide to narrow. 1. One more. Left. We go. 1, 2. Good. Wide. That's it. Now jump. 1. We have a bit of a break and we hop. So again, lateral hops. Stay on the hops. That's it. How are you feeling? Are you ready for 4 traveling squats? So we're moving in frontal plane. One more. Jump out. 1, 2. One more. Left. 1, 2, 3. Jump wide. 1, 2. Last one. We're feeling it. Double hops. Hop. Same with a hop. Now 4 to the right. Left. Again. Woo. Ready, here we go. We squat. 4. Your heart rate coming up. It is. Wide. 1, 2, 3. Left. 4, 3. So we're really wide on this one. One more. Wide to narrow. Go. 1. Ooh. Gonna add on after the hops. Hop. Now on the walk out this time, we'll add a side tap. Roll down. Walk out. Hold. Tap. 2. Walk in. Roll up. Roll. One more. Roll down. Walk out. Side tap now. Straight in. 2, 4, 6. Walk back. Roll up. Circle. 2 more. Roll down. Walk out. 10, 3, 5, 6. Walk in. Roll up. Roll back. 1 more. Down. Walk out. 10, 3, 5. Walk back in. 1. Roll it up. Woo. From the top. Squat. 1. Woo. 1 more. Wide to narrow. 1, 2, 3. 1 more. Left. Go. Our legs are hitting every single angle. Replay movement. Wide go. 1. In. 2 more. Last one. Double hop. 1, 3. Are you ready if you roll down? Walk out. Here we go. Down. Walk out. Down. 4, 5, 6. Walk in. Roll up. Roll back. 1 more. Roll down. Walk out. 2, 4, 6. Walk in. Go. Woo. 1 more. Now a lateral lunge. 1. I'll hit that lateral lunge. A little bit of power. So bend down. Reach up. If If you can touch the floor, go for it. We just got one more plane to go. Transverse. One more. We do 3 squats, 180 turn. Again, the other way. Again, 3 down. 1. Now cross behind. 1. Cross. There we go. Come on, let's do this. Squat. Cross. 2 to go. Ready for the 3 jumps and then a 180. Transverse. 2. 1. 3. 1. The other way. Last one. 3, 2, 1. Curtsy. 1, 2. Oh, I'm hardly speaking now because I'm feeling it. 4, 3, 2. Now walk out. Down, forward. Bring the knees across. Walk back in. Roll up. Roll the shoulders. Woo! Again, roll down, walk out, cross, roll up, all the way, roll back. We have 2 more. Let's go. Roll down, walk it out, across, across, walk in, roll up, big circle. 2 more. Now you can take your legs wider. It makes it slightly easier. Cross. Walk in. Roll up. Circle. Put it together. 3 squats. Woo! 2 turn. 3. The other way. 3, 2, 1. Squat. Curtsy. 1. Cross behind. Keep that tension on the thighs. Lower. 4, 3, 2. One more. Roll it down. Ha. Walk out. 2 cross. Roll in. Roll up. Circle. 1 more. And jog. Woo. Now, can you repeat the whole thing all over again? If you're sweating, leave a comment, send me a message on Facebook, put it in the Facebook group, subscribe, all of the things. I'll see you tomorrow.